Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your low light images on CapCut Browser. So this is not the app, this is the browser version. You are just going to simply select magic tools here. It's still beta, so it's not going to be super perfect. They're still trying to test stuff out. Select the low light image enhancer and select enhance. You can only enhance 100 images per month. Select upload or try the following. Just going to upload one here, for instance, like this one. This is like a very low light image, so I'm hoping it does a good job. I haven't actually tried this one. I've tried a few of the magic tools that they have here. Just going to wait for it to generate. Apparently it's going to take a long time to generate. I'm just going to, I like to put like my, oh, there you go. And here are the levels that they have. It's not the best, as you can see, but let me just go back and like try the ones that CapCut has, because this one isn't the best probably to show you guys. Maybe like this one, maybe like a more high def picture. It's just going to make it brighter without it looking too I don't know, like exposed, saturized. I don't know the word for it. But here's the before, here's the after. It makes it like lighter, as you can see, like brighter. But yeah, that is it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!